In this video, I'll detail how to use an iPhone speakerphone. So what is your iPhone speakerphone all about? The iPhone speakerphone is going to put your iPhone automatically in speaker when you pick an incoming calls as against using the phone ear speaker here. So when you turn on speakerphone on your iPhone, so this is going to turn on your iPhone on speaker mode. You can turn this on and you can disable it. So if I don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn on or use iPhone speakerphone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to accessibility, and then you want to click on that. Now, once you selected accessibility, scroll down and click on touch. Under touch, scroll down and locate call audio routing. Once you click on that, you have three options available here. There is automatic, Bluetooth headset, and speaker. Then, if you set this to automatic, you'll be able to switch between headphone, headset, and speaker. And if you set Bluetooth headset, this is going to pick up the call while you are on Bluetooth, and it's not going to use your phone, rather it's going to use your Bluetooth headset straight away. However, if you select speaker like this, whenever you have an incoming call on your iPhone and you pick up the incoming call on your iPhone, this is going to put the call on speaker straight away. So just like, let's say I have an incoming call, pick it up. You see that? So this is going to put the call on speakerphone as against you choosing automatic. So if you have this set to automatic, this is going to give you the option to switch between speakerphone or headset like this. Now, for you to use the speakerphone on your iPhone, you need to click on the speaker manually. So the essence of the speakerphone on your iPhone is to automatically put your iPhone on speaker mode once you pick an incoming call. This could be useful if you're always busy, so that you want to always put your phone on speaker mode. You see that? However, you can stop the speaker mode on your iPhone by just turning off the speaker from white and make it black. So that is how you can easily turn on or use speakerphone on iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.